क्लास 11 इंग्लिश ग्रामर डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट। पिछले वीडियो में सारी बातें जनरल रूल्स, हाउ टू चेंज डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट, assertive sentence का फर्स्ट रूल फॉर द चेंज ऑफ टेंसेस। इसमें फर्स्ट रूल था पिछले कल, इफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इन द प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर टेंस, the verb of the reported speech is changed into the corresponding past tense। जो क्रमानुसार जो past tense होगा, present indefinite into past indefinite, present continuous into past continuous, present perfect into past perfect, present perfect into present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous। यहाँ पर जो नियम के अनुसार are the present tenses, present indefinite, simple present, present continuous, present perfect और present perfect continuous। जो भी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के बाद दिए गए हैं उनको आप लोग देखेंगे कि सबसे पहले दिया है राम सेड मोहन वर्क्स हार्ड। दिस इज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट। प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट इज चेंज्ड इनटू पास्ट इंडेफिनिट व्हेन द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन द पास्ट। क्लियर? तो राम सेड conjunction in assertive sentence that is used। तो Ram said that Mohan worked hard। Next point दिया है he said I am unwell। ये सिंपल है, प्रोनाउन है यहाँ I, इसको भी चेंज करेंगे। he said that I according to he चेंज करेंगे he was unwell। नेक्स्ट है he said my sister is writing letters। He said conjunction there my first person according to he, his sister was writing letters। Next point he said I have passed the examination। He said conjunction there I according to he had tense change करेंगे he had passed the examination। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट दिया है मदर सेड टू मी वी हैव बीन रीडिंग फॉर 2 hours। हियर ऑब्जेक्ट इज गिवन, सेड टू इनटू टोल्ड। मदर टोल्ड मी कंजंक्शन दैट वी हैड बीन रीडिंग फॉर 2 hours। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आई सेड टू हिम शी रोट ए नॉवेल। दीज आर द प्रेजेंट टेंस। नाउ दिस इज पास्ट tense, it means past indefinite will be changed into past perfect। I said to him, I told him that she had written a blog। Understand? In this way you will change the tense, you will change the verb of the reported speech। Some sentences are given below। First, he said it was raining। Here the reported speech, it was raining, Sita had won, she had been raining। To read it, this is past past continuous। The rule, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, the verb of the reported speech is changed into the corresponding past tense। यहाँ पर कुछ बात अभी जो पढ़ा रहे थे इसी की बात, जैसे इट वाज रेनिंग दिया है ना, ये पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस है, इसको पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस को चेंज करेंगे पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में। तो यहाँ इट वाज रेनिंग है ना, तो इट हैड बीन रेनिंग हो जाएगा। अंडरस्टैंड? पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस पास्ट परफेक्ट में जाएगा, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस जाएगा। He said there it had been raining। जस्ट नीचे they said सीता had won the match, तो they said there सीता had won the match है ना, तो पास्ट जो पास्ट परफेक्ट चेंज नहीं होगा, तो they said there सीता had won the match। अगला है आशा said she had been reading for 2 hours। आशा said that ये भी चेंज नहीं होगा, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस। शी हैज बीन रीडिंग फॉर 2 hours। नाउ दिस इज फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट। आई सेड टू यू, आई सेड, the first person pronoun I according to I, it will not be changed. So I said that I, but verb should be changed, said into should. I said that I should do it. Next point, the teacher said Anil may pass. Anil may pass. The teacher said that Anil नाम है, Anil might pass. Anil might pass. I said I can jump over the bar. Can, may into might, shall into should, will into would. है ना? तो can, this is body. Now I said conjunction J. I equal to I. It will remain unchanged. I could jump over the bar. Next point, he said the servant must obey. Can को could में बदला जा सकता है, may को might में, shall को should में, will को would में, लेकिन must, should, could और might को नहीं बदलेगा। He said the servant must obey. He said that the servant must obey. Only conjunction will be used. और कुछ आपको नहीं करना है, केवल कंजंक्शन का ही प्रयोग करना है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट दिया है एक्सेप्शन टू द रूल, जो नियम का अपवाद है। द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच एक्सप्रेसेस द सेंस ऑफ यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ, हैबिचुअल एक्शन, proverb and historical events. Then the verb of the reported speech remains unchanged. It will not change the tense of the reported speech. If the reported speech expresses universal truth, proverb, it remains unchanged. Now the first point, our teacher said that the earth pulls. This is universal truth. The earth pulls everything towards it. Next point, father said to me, dogs bark at the strangers. So said to into told, because object is given. Father told me. This is habitual action. Dogs bark at the stranger. You will only use that. Father said to me that dogs bark at the strangers. In this way, the reported speech expresses the universal truth or habitual action. Proverb, you will not change. She said, God helps those who help themselves. This is also a proverb. Honesty is the best policy. God helps those who help themselves. To make food. She said, यहाँ पर ये कहावत है, इसलिए ये the tense of the reported speech, the verb of the reported speech remains unchanged. She said that, only that conjunction will be used. She said that God helps those who help themselves. Next point, he said Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of Free India. So, this is a historical fact. He will not change the verb. Only he will use the conjunction. He said that Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of Free India. He will not write here had been. Only he will use was. I said to him, India became free in 1947. Object is given. I told him that this is historical event. I told him that India became free in 1947. Next point, the history teacher said that Samudragupta, this is historical event. Samudragupta is called. You will not write Baj नहीं लिखोगे. Clear करो. The history teacher said that Samudragupta is called the Napoleon of India.